Okay, good morning children. Now in this class we are going to learn about the visualizing the nation. So in the 18th and 19th century the artists try to give a face to the new nation. So in the 18th and 19th century the artists were try to give a new face to the nation in the Europe countries. Okay, Europe countries especially. So you might know about the France Revolution. So in France Revolution, the French artists, how they were personified the liberty as a female figure, and how the French artists were prepared the paintings which were visualizing their dreams of the country or dreams of the world. So in the 18th and 19th century, the artists tried to give a new face to the nation. So how they were trying to give the new face to the nation, so the female form chosen did not stand for any real woman. Okay, real woman. So what happened? The female form chosen did not stand for the real woman. So the female figure, so what the artists were used in France, in other countries, that image or that female figure did not stand for the real woman in the society, okay, which was not given equal priority to the all women in the European countries. See, soon the female figure became an allegory. Okay, so later what happened? Soon the female figure became a allegory. Okay, so what was the allegory? Allegory was an abstract ideas of any person. Okay, so soon what happened? The female figure was becoming allegory of the entire Europe countries. Okay, Europe countries. So this is most important, you have to remember. So allegory was nothing but it was an abstract ideas of an person. Okay, of an ideas of any person. See, for justice, allegory of a blindfolded woman is used. So where did this allegory was used by the artist? In the European countries, especially for justice. Okay, for justice, the allegory of blindfolded woman is used. Okay, blindfolded woman is used in justice. Okay, so same in the ideas of using the female allegory came with the French Revolution. So as you know about the French Revolution, so most of the French artists were used female as their liberty, or they used female as their nation symbols. Okay, nation symbol that could we see in the French Revolution. The French artists were already used the female figure as their symbol of the nation. For example, you see the Marine is representing France. Okay, the Marine is representing the past in France. So see, it represents the ideas of the people, ideas of a people nation. So that Marine was represented the ideas of the French peoples. Okay, French peoples, and it was characteristics the red cap, the tricolor, and cocktails. So what it was characterized? It was characterized the red cap and tricolor. That could you can see in your textbook how the artists were personified that figures in their countries. Okay, so many images they given in your textbook, just you can go through that. So see, the erected in public squares to remind the public national symbols of the unity. So these figures were used the national symbols of the unity in France country and other European countries. See, and it was mocked on coins and stamps. So the France was used, the Marine was on the coins and stamps. Okay, coins and postal stamps. So see, and one more example, Germania. So Germania was the allegory for German nation. Okay, so here see, the Marine was representing the France. The Germania was the allegory of the German nation. Allegory means what I said. So allegory was an idea of a person or a nation. The Germany was the allegory of the German nation. So she was first time used in the Frankfurt Parliament by the liberals in German country. Okay, hope you understand about the visualizing the nation. So these two examples you have to remember, the Marine and Germania. So how did the artists were used that female figures in the development of the nation state concept in the European countries.